Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn how to configure sales email in Magento 2. So guys, in Magento, so many types of transaction emails, right? Inside the sales, right? Order placement, invoice generate, shipment, comments, user register, contact us, so many type of emails, right? So we are know about so how can set so we are just entering admin URL, right? So go to store, click on configuration, right, and click on sales, right, click on sales emails, right. Guys, here is you see order comments, invoice comments, shipment comments, right, credit memo and credit memo comments. Guys, because we have four stages in every order. First one is order placed, right? So order may be available or not available, or you have some reason for delaying, or maybe any other thing. So inside the comment section, because provide the notification some delay for reason, and maybe some color is not available, so many things of things. So this is the reason for comments. Invoice, your invoice is ready, and your invoice will send soon, maybe some reason delay for payment, right. And shipment, for your shipment is ready, or second thing for comments, because your order is on the way, or your order is reached by your hub, right. This type of comments. So inside the shipment comments and credit memo, if order customer not take, but payment by net banking or maybe cash on delivery is also provided. So after create credit memo and order clause, right. So this is very important thing. So we are start from order, right. So guys, here is some information, uh, right. This is automatically disabled because use asynchronous node we need manually, right. So guys, this is here is order, right. Here is order section, right. And here is go to also enable, so this is also enable, no problem. And this is sales respective, because this is a sales inquiry and sales KRA. So right, also provide this and new order default. So this is also because if you need something editing any contents or some new things, so you can add it from here, because this is your email format, right. So click on here inside this, and you can add something new, right. Okay. And this is also because same thing as a guest user or a store user, because we are both of customers, so that's the reason not for partiality, right. Here is you can mention the copy, send or email ID to copy, because we need some customer care service center, so we need some specify some addresses, or maybe some records, so or maybe some action server we need some copy from, or maybe some vendors we have to copy from your order, right. So if you have any this type of requirement, you can mention here your mail ID, right. And same thing you can copy from VCC, or separate email ID, both of here, right? And go to inside order comment section. Order comment section is the enable, yes, this is enabled. Respective sales, yes. And order update, yes, because we need order update. So you can here you can set any email configuration from email templates, right? Because here is available all emails from here, right? You can here is choose from here, right? Invoice and invoice guest, right? You can load here, you can preview from here, right? You can load any templates, right? And guest also, and same thing from here. You can add copy from your, right, or comma, right, comma separated, comma separated from after ph20 at gmail.com, right? So this is, and same scenario from here invoice, right? Guys, this is order place email, right? Order place after success comes notifications. After comes success screen trigger from this section, right? Your this is your template, your email template, right? And this is your VCC templates. After admin or customer care executive, your access role, add some order section, right? Go to from here, right? Order, orders, and click on any order. This one is pending, right? So click on here, and guys, you see here in this section your order, or maybe thank you thank you for place order, place order, got you got coupon 10% discount new, right? So this type of comments, right? This is comments. So trigger we are this section, right? Or the comment section, right, guys? And this is invoice section. After processing your order and creating invoice, so this is trigger, right? This is trigger section. You can add from here sender, from sales, contact us, right? And more things, right? And go to from here, you can set store email address from here, right? From here, this is your email addresses, right here. Contact us 2, contact us 1, right? This and this and this is your email addresses. Sales email address you can change here, right? Support from here, email custom 1, custom 2, right? Because this is choose 4 things, 4 1 here, and this is 4 4, right? Click on from here, right here. You can journal, inside the journal store email addresses. So this is 4 addresses. You can enter from here your email ID, right? Sales email ID,
customer support email ID and both of customers, right? And back to the order comment, same things, and invoice, same thing, and invoice comments, and shipment also you can choose from same thing, right? So here is no shipment, this is default shipment. So you can change your email format from here, right? You can shipment, okay, shipment. Where is shipment? Yeah, this is shipment, right? Load from here and click on here, new shipment. Let's save this and go to from here. It's here. We refresh, and this is shipment and shoot. You see, this is shipment, right? So you can choose your as per your template, right? Same thing, credit memo and credit shipment. So guys, this is a way to all of your sales template, sales emails and sales email addresses. You can change from here, right? This is your email address, from trigger your emails from where, right? And this is events, which time occurred, which time send email, and this is your format, right? And this is way to your three step, right? In sales, in the sales section, from here the time your comments, so trigger comment section, right? Your comment section, where is comment section? Let's close this one. No, this is close. And store configuration, sales, right? Sales, sales emails, right? So first one, order placing and order comments, right? First one, create invoice. Second one, invoice some comments. Third one is shipment, and shipment some comments, right? Credit memo generate, and second one, credit memo editing. Okay guys, so if you have any problem about configure email template or assign email address, right, please comments me. I definitely revert your answer, your question answer. And thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys.